Are you beating up your open gears, dumping raw material into them, exposing them to extreme heat and extreme pressure, all while demanding extended service in a very punishing production environment? Stop the beating with Pyroshield open gear lubricants from Lubrication Engineers. They protect your valuable equipment and prevent expensive downtime by reducing gear temperatures by 5 to 15% within hours of use, reducing lubricant consumption by up to 80%, clinging to metal surfaces without accumulation, applying as a translucent coating, which enables easy gear inspection. LE's exclusive wear-reducing solid additive, along with a unique combination of extreme pressure additives, work together to ensure Pyroshield outperforms competitive lubricants. Pyroshield lubricants are synthetic fluids intended for high-load, heavy shock applications, such as large shrouded open gears used in mining, mineral processing, and cement industries. They are available in heavy and extra heavy formulations for automatic or manual application to ball mills, rod mills, breaker mills, and kilns. Pyroshield will meaningfully reduce your carbon footprint. If you want to extend the life of your large open gears, decrease downtime, and lower your lubricant usage, we have the solution. Call or email us today. Learn more about Pyroshield synthetic open gear lubricants at www.lelubricants.com.